left eye. Close the left eye. No ball, right? Put the ball in front of the right eye. Close the right eye. No ball, correct? So now, when we're throwing it from hand to hand above the head, what happens is the eyes are independent. The strong cannot control the weak, right? It's one of several exercises for that. I've helped somebody with double vision to reduce the double vision with this one, okay? So run in place, and let's do it. Fantastic. Now, take a partner, and let's say I'm throwing you the 2 balls, and then you're throwing me the 2 balls. Okay? So get yourself a partner. Okay. God, that's hard. I'm sorry. Now, take your ball and let's do this again. Throw it from hand to hand, above the head, and clap. And here's my question. Is it easier now? Can you do 5 or 6 times before you can? Come on. Are you rubbing in place? There you go. Now, take the paper off. Take the paper off. How do you guys feel? Do they feel like there's more space? Like there's more light?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that a good feeling?
Yeah.
All right, here's the next exercise. Sunny. Look at me, everybody. I'm going to stand here, and anybody who doesn't see me will come close to me. Okay? I'm closing my eyes. You should move your head to the opposite side. Yeah, good. I move my head all the way from side to side. So as I face the sun with the bridge of my nose, my pupils constrict as I move away, they relax. So they expand and shrink. Then breathe deeply and slowly as you do. Does the sun feel good? No? So move your head. So the point is to let the sun dry the water. So we move the head all the way from side to side. And breathe deeply and slowly. I love this sun. I love especially sun after rain. It's so clean. Now, in your case, the head doesn't move over. Okay? So what you do is, when you move it to the side, push the opposite shoulder forward. The other side, don't push. So that the movement must be 180 degrees or more. So your pupils constrict and expand, and the retina gets it in all of its parts. And another one of sunny is move your head up and down as you move the head from side to side. Move the head up and down as you move the head from side to side. You see, we're all afraid of the sun because the what? doesn't it? We call that something. Now we turn to simply moving the head from side to side. The minimum of this exercise, which we're going to do today, is 5 minutes. So move them all the way from side to side. You know, everybody these days does this incredible propaganda against the sun, against the light. Light is the biggest nutrient for our body. Light makes us optimistic. Light makes us feel good. And the medical profession tells us stay away from the light. It's wrong. There is moderation that we have to do it with. But all of you face the sun the way I face the sun. The way my friend, what's your name? The way that James faces the sun. The way we're doing it. Yeah? So move your hand all the way from side to side. Very deeply and slowly. Closed. The eyes are closed. You see floaters? There's a wonderful exercise I described in my book about floaters. You look at one, and it goes away. And then it comes back within a few seconds, you look at it again. And slowly, slowly, you break it. I would, if I had more time to very good, I would have talked to you more about it. That's why I like that. So we move from side to side. All time. Just got to accept it now. Wonderful. Rub your hands as you do that. Rub your hands. Move your head from side to side. Turn away from the sun and put your hands on the arrow of the heart. Take your hands off. And again, put your hands side to side. It's nice, huh? Now let's do this. Look at the page with the large and small print. How does it look in the sun? That's why I suggest read in daylight whenever you can. Too many of us sit in fluorescent lights in library. Whenever you can read in daylight, it's all clear. Isn't that true? Now, do all of you have the small piece of paper? Let's put the small piece of paper on the nose. And Ron, if somebody doesn't have it, can you find it for them?
On the nose?
On the bridge of the nose, the way I've done it before. You need masking tape? Okay. Wave your hand to the side. Let's do exactly what we did before. Wave your hand to the side and read print that you can read from 1 foot. Put it in the sun, please. In the sun. So, for example, stand the way I stand. Opposite to the way you stand. Wave your hand and read the print. Now, put it upside down and read it. And now look at print that you cannot read, but you can see the spaces between the words and between the letters. Keep reading there to the side. Close your eyes and say the ink is black, the page is white. The ink is black, the page is white. The ink is black, the page is white. Again. The ink is black, the page is white. Now look back at the print to read now. Turn the page around. Inside. Now take the paper off. How does the print look? How's it look to you? A bit blurrier? So you strain. Okay, let's do some sunning. Okay? The sunning felt good to you, didn't it? So we'll do sunning. Remember one thing which is very important. Do not strain to do any of the exercises. Did it look a bit clearer to some of you? Is that nice? Okay, my friends, time to go back to the room and